Now let's look at an example of a three-way merge. First, let's look at our history. So this is where we are. Our master branch is at this commit, which is a merge commit. Now I'm going to create a new branch for implementing a new feature. So git switch -c for create. We're going to call that branch feature/change password. So now we have this new branch. Let's look at our history one more time. So at this point, both these pointers, our change password pointer and master pointer, are pointing to the same commit. Now, what we want to explore in this lesson is how two branches can diverge. So we're currently on the change password branch. Let's make a commit here. I'm going to echo hello to, let's say, change-password.txt. Now we're going to stage the changes and commit them and say, build the change password form. Now, let's look at our history again. So as you can see, our change password branch is one commit ahead of the master branch, right? But our branches have not diverged yet because there is a direct linear path from the change password branch to master. So to make these branches diverge, I'm going to go back to master and make a new commit. So git switch master. Let's open objectives.txt and make a small change here. It doesn't really matter. Now, back in the terminal, let's run git add and then commit and say update objectives.txt. So now both the master and change password branches have a new commit. Take a look. So git log. Okay, here's master and here's the change password branch. As you can see, our branches have diverged. This is the commit where we started the change password branch. We added a new commit in this branch and got back to master and added a new commit to master. Now we do not have a direct linear path from change password to master. So if we start from here, we cannot go to master. So when we try to merge the changes, Git is going to run a three-way merge. It's going to look at the tips of these branches, which is this commit and this commit over here. It's going to compare these with their common ancestor, which is in this case, this commit over here. Based on their differences, it's going to figure out how to merge or combine the changes into a new merge commit. So here on the master branch, we type git merge feature/change password. Once again, we have a default message for the merge commit. We can accept it as is or change it if we need to. So let's close this window. Now back in the terminal, as you can see, we don't have a fast forward merge. Now let's look at our history one more time. So here's the result of the merge. Our change password branch is pointing at this commit. Our master was here. Now we combine these two into a new merge commit over here.